Hello, miracle workers! Welcome to another special episode of Unlocking Miracles, Janergy's Guide to Life, Love, and Leadership. And for this episode, I have invited someone special, an expert. So let me introduce her to you. Our guest is a graduate of Centro Escolar University in 1996, an internationally trained dentist who took up her postgraduate training in aesthetic dentistry from University of California, Los Angeles, and a dental sleep medicine from University of Kentucky, Lexington, Kentucky, Roseman University, Utah, then Sleep International Academy, Malaysia, and UP Manila. She is a past president of Philippine Association of Functional Jaw. Wow, very interesting. Orthopedics, TMJ, Inc. She was also awarded as the most outstanding affiliate president during the Gawad PDA Awards in 2017. Currently chairman of World Oral Health Day, Philippines, and a past board of trustee of the Philippine Dental Association. Personally, a loving wife of a retired Air Force colonel and now CAAP pilot examiner, Captain Obi Ramos, and a caring mother of four to dentist Dr. Hannah, IT graduate Miss Hazel, a pre-med student Hansel, and a UP pre-law student Heidi. This is one superwoman I know. Friends, help me welcome here at Unlocking Miracles, Dr. Edith Miko Ramos. Hi, Doc.
Thank you very much, Coach Janice. Good day to everyone. I'm happy to be here to be with Coach Janice during her show Unlocking Miracles.
Yes. So, it's hindi natin alam kung anong time sila nanonood. So whether you're
Yes.
watching this live or replay, so every Saturday we have a new episode here at Unlocking Miracles, and I'm just so happy that you said yes to this invitation. So recently lang, konting background lang, no? So recently I had this problem sa aking ngipin, no? So kailangan ko magpa-check up, na realize ko naku, kailangan ko na pumunta kay Doc Edit. And then, so I set an appointment. Medyo mabilis ang set ng appointment. And so, nung trinit ako ni Doc Edit, sabi ko, Ting, bakit hindi ko ba i-invitayin si Doc Edit sa aking podcast since she's also doing a weekly show. Can you tell us about that, Doc Edit? Kamusta yung yung weekly show?
Yes, it's Be Well With Me with Doc Maru Espino, a dermatologist, and it is every Thursdays at DZME 1530. You can follow our FB page, DZME 1530, and also YouTube, DZME 1530, and cable channel 5. Yan. So, nasa TV rin,
Yun.
TV radio. Yeah. So,
So,
we impart knowledge about dentistry and derma and skin problems. So basically,
ayan. So, watch din kayo niyang show na yan. Very informative yung show na yan. In
mhm.
fact, sa sobrang informative ng show na yan, that really pushed me to go to her clinic din para magpa-check up na ng aking mga ngipin. So, tonight or this episode, Doc, I'd like you to share to our viewers your miracle stories. But before that, can you give us a brief background? Why did you decide to become a dentist and a sleep specialist at that? Bakit? Of
All
all
right.
the professions that you can go into, bakit yun yung napili mo?
Okay. So I started to be a dentist because of my dad. So yung practice namin in Robinson's Galleria, basically, the dental practice was started by my dad, so Dr. Edgardo Roy Miku. Nung bata ako, ang alam ko lang talagang course was dentistry. Kasi even when I was a kid, so elementary, high school, so we live in Quezon City and ang clinic ng daddy ko is very near our school. So that's Stella Maris College. So very near lang, meron kaming clinic Young Trade Building, nasa Gateway, katabi na yun ng Gateway today. Yon. So every afternoon, I would go there and be his assistant. So
Oh,
noon, yes, oo. Tagahawak lang ako ng suction, 'di ba? You have suction tips for the for the mouth, yan to suck in the saliva. And also kung minsan I wipe the patient's face. Yon, and I clean the instruments, I sterilize the instruments. So basically yun yung ginagawa ko nung elementary and high school. So when I reached na high school, so I don't have wala talaga akong alam. Alam ko lang dentistry. So ang pinuntahan ko lang, nag-exam lang ako sa mga dental schools. So, kaya I chose yung Central Scholar University because I came from a all-girls school. And when I went to Central Scholar University during that time in 1990, puro babae doon. So I felt at home. That's why I chose CEU. No? Parang
okay.
feeling ko pa rin nasa all-girls school ako. Pero actually, it's a co-ed school, no? So kaya lang, majority of the students there are girls.
Oh, so
Uh,
talagang it runs in the blood already. We're exposed to the profession. In fact, I know yung mga kapatid mo are also dentists, di ba?
yes, so yung brother ko, si Dong, dentist din. Yung wife niya, si Shirley. And yung sister ko, si Che, dentist din. And yung daughter ko, now si Hannah. So basically,
Dentist.
five na kami ngayon na nag-work sa clinic. Unfortunately, my dad passed away in 2021. So because na heart attack siya, complications from COVID. So, yon. So ngayon kami na yung nagme-manage ng clinic.
Clinic, yes. So, yan, if you have the time talaga or make time for it, really do visit the clinic of Doc Edit. Very professional talaga sila. And very safe yung procedures that they're doing. They're really making sure that you're safe and yung kumbaga well protected kasi 'di ba you
Yeah,
still ask us to
correct.
wear PPEs, mga ganyan.
Yes, we
Yes.
follow strict infection protocols. Ano, when we treat you in our clinic in Robinson's Galleria, each treatment rooms is negatively pressurized. So negative with negative pressure. Ibig sabihin, since in Galleria, there's no windows. So
Hmm.
kailangan meron kang 16 air exchange para lahat yung air exchange sa loob ng dental cubicle kasi private yun eh. So five treatment rooms individually closed, parang negative pressure room, um, six air exchange para nare-replenish yung air dun sa cubicle. Now, aside from the standalone air purifier na nakatapat dun sa patient, yun, we have this tub out, ina-absorb nung aming may machine to absorb the air going outside the mall. Now, when the air naman enters from our air conditioning system, naka-HEPA filters pa yon. So parang airplane. So may HEPA filters na yung papasok na air from the centralized air conditioning system, saka iikot uli yan. So yan. So
Wow,
air exchange. Yan. So na-compute yun ng
ganda.
aming engineer para we follow the correct protocol.
So, this started when pandemic happened, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
then, up to this day, you still continue to
Yes, we
do
still
it.
continue to follow it, and then the dentist would wear a level 4 PPE, and the patients would wear a level 3 PPE. Why? Kasi di ba when we treat the patient, may mga aerosols yan, no? May hangin, may laway,
Mm.
tumatalsik, para hindi masyadong infected or ma-infect yung kanilang damit when they go out. So para tatanggalin lang nila yung PPE, all the aerosols are kept
In the
onto the
PPE.
and para yung kanilang damit hindi na masyadong na-infect, no? Parang well sanitized pa rin. And the patient would wear uh, shoe cover and a head cap as well.
Saka may pinapasot ka pa na
Yes, of
eh.
course, shades, no?
Oo.
Mandatory yon,
Shade.
no? Para, kasi protection yon for the patient. So aside na very glaring, yung light, no, coming from the dental chair and also from the loops of the dentist, we don't want the materials or any materials would enter the patient's eye. So we don't want that
Oh.
happening as well.
Oh, 'di ba? Akala ko pang ano lang 'yon, pang pang picture taking.
Pang-forma.
Form.
Hindi, very important yun, yung eye
May
protection and
purpose pala
love.
talaga 'yan. So
Yes, yes.
everything really has a purpose. It's very intentional. So 'yan. I'm excited to know, Doc Edith, ano ba yung mga stories na ikukwento mo sa amin para ma-bless natin yung mga audience natin. Go ahead.
Oh yes, unlocking miracles, no? So one of my inspiration naman talaga is my dad, si Dr. Edgardo Roy Miku. Alam mo, kung hindi lang nagkaroon ng COVID or pandemic, he is still alive, maybe still working. Kasi never pa siyang nag-absent sa clinic namin.
Wow.
Never. You know what?
Sipag.
Yes, same with your husband, no? He used to work at Meralco, no, for the longest time kasi nag-start siya as company dentist, then consultant. So very masipag yan. So nag-work siya from 8 to 5 in Meralco and then after that, may clinic hours pa siya. May private clinic siya. So meron kaming clinic. Dati, siya yung masipag. Marami kaming clinics nung buhay yung daddy ko eh. Masipag siya. We have clinics in Araneta Center, in Eastwood, in Rockwell, and in Galleria. Kaya lang, nung nagka-pandemic, kaming mga kids, we just want to preserve lang yung Robinson's Galleria because we want quality time naman with our family.
Mm,
Okay? So yung daddy ko lang talaga yung very into dentistry, very masipag siya. Talagang passion niya yan, ano?
passionate.
Yeah,
Yes.
passion talaga niya yan. Kung kahit masama ang pakiramdam niya, ang gagawin lang niya, papasok pa rin siya sa clinic, pero nagpapahinga lang siya doon sa
Mm,
medical chair niya. And also, very positive ang outlook ng daddy ko sa life. Very positive. And lahat ng makakakilala sa kanya, ano siya very humorous, very intelligent. Ano siya, komikero yung daddy ko eh. Yan. Kung may chikito, chikito yung daddy ko. Pero ang tingin sa sarili niya, Edu Manzano siya or Gabby Concepcion.
wow,
Sana nangingit
guwapo.
mo siya, oo. Feeling niya Gabby or Edu siya. Pero yon, and also ano siya, very mabango, magaling manamit, no? Magaling manamit. And ang natutunan ko sa daddy ko, every day kinikilig siya. You know what? You have to be excited every day.
Excited.
Excited siya. Um, very eager to share. Yung masaya lang siya. He will keep you happy. Sabihin sa'yo, siguro pag nakita niya si Janice, ang ganda-ganda mo naman today, Miss Janice. So, ganun siya magsalita, no? And also, very loving sa family niya and also to us, yung kanyang mga kids, very loving. And for 11 years, nung nag-start pa lang ako, I stayed with my dad. 11 years of my married life.
Ah, so you live with your dad.
Yes, with oo, 11 years. Kaya I was able to save my money, my earnings, and was able to build up our own house right now, our own home na ngayon in Pasig. So because of that, grateful ako sa kanya and because of yung fatherly image niya na pino-provide niya not only for his kids but na-extend yan sa mga apo niya, especially dun sa first two na panganay. Yan. So yun yung miracles ko. So I have a fortunate loving father, no? Yun. So nasanay ako na for the longest time ano lang ako, sitting pretty lang ako. Ngayon lang ako, feeling ko ngayon na ako nag-adulting nung time na namatay yung daddy ko. Kasi everything else was provided.
Everything talaga was really provided for you, no?
Yes, no, oo. And yun yung miracles ko, greatest miracles ko kasi I'm fortunate to have a father like my dad. So Dr. Edgardo Roy Mico. Magtataka ka bakit yung clinic namin, hindi namin tinatanggal yung name niya doon because kanya lahat yon. So it started all with him.
Yeah. And I think siguro up to this day, meron pa rin kayong mga loyal patients
Yes, no,
na, 'di ba?
correct,
So kung
correct.
wala na siya, you still maintain mga patients niya, 'di ba?
Yes, yes. Oo, actually, ang mga patients namin, family dentistry. So, we started yung mga anak. Okay, una muna, yung mga nanay, tatay sa father ko. Yan. Ako, I handle the mga anak nila, yung mga children.
Na,
Now, oo, I handle now the children of my patients.
oo. Apo
So,
na, yung mga apo na ng ano,
yes, mga apo na nila. So, yun yung mga hinahandle namin. Usually, families talaga.
families. Ayan. So, by the way, itong si Doc Edith, we initially met
Mm,
in the 5 a.m. club during the
correct.
pandemic, right? So we belong to an online community wherein we wake up at 5 a.m. And then we do some learning, connection. So medyo naging close tayo doon. And then finally, I was able to invite her first in, I think nag-Toastmasters ka muna, no? I was able to invite you in Toastmasters
Yes, I
muna.
was able to join
Yes. So
Toastmaster. Yeah.
medyo short stint lang siya sa Toastmasters.
Yeah.
Then eventually, invited her to BNI. So ngayon, magkasama kami sa BNI, Business Network International, wherein we help one another in terms of passing on referrals to each other. And recently nga, magkasama na kami sa power team, yung sa group namin, because we're serving actually families. So ako sa insurance, life insurance, and then si Doc Edit naman sa dentistry. And bakit of all specializations, why did you choose na pala na sa sleep
Okay.
yung specialization?
Oo, no? Siyempre, as a dentist, sana sasabihin na lang nila, magpaganda ka na lang sana ng ngipin. Paputiin mo na lang yung
Oh,
ngipin
'di ba
namin.
yun yung mas most
Dentistry,
common?
veneers, porcelain crowns, or
Yes.
implants. Okay. Kasi basically, when I started, my father was the implantologist and the prosthodontist. So, handle niya yung crowns, porcelain crowns, veneers. Ako, I handle yung mga orthodontics. So, orthodontics, braces, okay, functional appliance, and I specialize also in root canal therapy. So kung ano yung hindi ginagawa ng father ko, yun yung ginagawa ko. Para we have separate
Parang,
division
mm,
of labor basically so that we can refer to each other. So kaya napunta ako sa TMJ. Nag-start muna ako sa TMJ or TMD therapy and into sleep. Why? Because when you treat patients sa orthodontics, sometimes you have patients na nagkiklik yung joints. No, nagkiklik yung joints nila tapos nagkakaroon ng pain sa muscles nila.
mm,
Now, maraming patients ngayon, nakala nila masakit ang ngipin nila pero actually it's coming from their joints, coming from their muscles. And most of the pain is actually coming from poor sleep or sleep apnea. Kahit
mm,
may TMJ problem ka, okay, because ang cause nun, it's either masyadong pasok yung lower jaw mo. Pagpasok yung lower jaw mo, yung tang mo pumapasok din, na-occupy niya yung airway space. So kaya nagkakaroon ng snoring, sleep apnea
mm.
yung patient kasi yung tongue nila, na-occupy nila yung airway space. Pag natutulog tayo, mas lalong nagre-relax yung jaw, mas lalong pumapasok yung tongue sa throat or
Mm.
lalamunan. That causes already the vibration or the obstruction. Ngayon, sleep kasi it's a special, it's a newer branch of dentistry, parang specialization. Hindi pa naman siya
Mm.
ganun kino-consider as a specialty, but it's already, orofacial pain is already a specialty. And sleep, when you talk of orofacial pain, when you talk of orofacial pain, it's pain of the head and neck area. Kasama yung mouth.
Orofacial pain.
Yes, orofacial. So kasama yung mouth doon. And part of that is TMJ. And part of that also is sleep because some of the pain coming from pain in our mouth are also attributed of you having sleep apnea. Okay, meaning pag ikaw ay huminto sa paghinga pag natulog ka, tapos huminto ka sa paghinga, ang unang gagawin ng brain mo is gagalawin niya yung jaw mo. So pag ginalaw mo
Mm.
yung jaw mo, may tendency yung nag-grind mo yung teeth mo. So pag ganun yung nangyari, nauupod yung ngipin natin. Kaya kung minsan,
Mm.
dentist talaga yung nakakakita doon na meron kang upod ng ngipin, halos lahat ng ngipin mo nauupod o nababawasan yung
So, yun
ngipin mo.
yung cause. Yun yung
Yes,
naging root cause. Yung,
oo. Sleep apnea, oo. Yung pala, humihinto ka na pala sa pagtulog mo. Okay? And a dentist would really help you uh, forward your jaw para your tongue will be displaced from your airway space or from your throat area. No, lalo na pag nakita namin ang cause ng obstructive sleep apnea mo is coming from your retruded mandible. Yan, nakakatulong dyan ang dentista. And specifically, pag ang ngipin mo ay upod na rin because you having apnea or sleep apnea, matutulungan ka ngayon ng dentista para hindi lalong maupod yung ngipin mo or mag-crack or mabasag or mabawasan. Yan. So, yun yung ginagawa basically because if you have sleep apnea rin, ang tendency may negative pressure eh. So your gas, nagkakaroon tayo ng GERD. So pag umaakyat yung acid papunta sa our mouth, it causes that acidic environment also, kaya nauupod mabilis or numinipis mabilis yung ipin natin.
Acidity is really bad for our
For our
teeth, di
teeth,
ba?
because it's already
Kaya,
causes tooth erosion.
oo. So, kaya
Yan.
kailangan pangalagaan talaga natin yung ano. And
Yung ipin.
pinaka-recommendation, Doc, is every when dapat nagpapa-check up
Okay.
ng ngipin?
Usually, dapat every 6 months. And bakit din, no?
Months.
Actually, there are sleep physicians. Now, since ang patients, mas madalas bumisita sa dentista. Usually, every 3 months yan, bumibisita na yan, every 6 months. Kay the dentist would really screen those patients and alert the patient, uy, parang nauupod yata yung ngipin mo. And then, iti-check na niya yung tongue space mo, yung throat mo. Hindi mo pala alam, sasabihin niya, nag-snore ka ba? Or malakas ba ang snoring mo? Or pag natutulog ka, papakiramdam mo, nacho-choke ka. And the dentist can really screen that and help the patient. So pwede namin i-recommend for sleep study. They can have a CPAP machine pag severe na yung case. Or they can work both. No, they can have both. They can have both CPAP machine and sleep appliance. We call it combination therapy para yung pressure nila sa CPAP machine hindi masyadong mataas, gagamitan kasi namin ng sleep appliance. Yan. So that's what we
Ayun.
call combination therapy.
Ayun. Kaya nga recently, I also interviewed in ating kasamahan sa BNI Charles, no?
Correct.
So na-discuss niya rin yung tungkol sa mga devices niya and the importance of really taking care of or making sure that you have quality sleep. Kasi nga overall it affects your well-being eh. The way you
Yes.
think, the way you act, no? And even baka magkaroon pa yan ng complications sa mga iba't ibang organs sa katawan. So talaga importante yung sleep. And kaya I really am very grateful na nakasama natin ngayon si Doc kasi mas na-explain naman niya yung sa side naman ng sa
Sleep.
dentistry, no? Yung
Correct.
aspeto na yon. So they actually have a ongoing collaboration then in terms of promoting each one's profession and business. Ayan. Meron ka pa bang gustong ikwento, Doc Edit, na miracle story sa atin?
Okay, miracle stories, no? Um, for me, talaga nung bata ako, layo kong sinasabi kay God, God surprise me every day. So I really like surprises. So nung bata
Uy,
ako, kasi
I like that. I like yung
diba?
ano na yan. God
Oo.
surprised me.
Oo, God surprise me every day kasi you don't know what will happen. You just worry for today kasi tomorrow God will take care of you. So as a
Mm.
dentist, so kami hindi naman kami swelduhan, no? As a private practitioner, we don't have someone who would give us a fixed source of income, fixed income, monthly income. But
Mm.
you don't know kung tomorrow may patients ka or wala, or you have money coming in tomorrow. But if you really have faith in God, na alam mo tomorrow, meron talaga, God will really provide. Talagang God will give you. Lalo na if
Mm.
you always share your blessings. Lalo na kasi
Yes.
for me, kahit ang husband ko nasa military, kasi ang military, pag straight siya, very limited lang ang resources nila. So basically, ako talaga yung talaga nag-provide for my family, no? Yung earnings ko, because of the earnings and the savings ko, I was able to build our house. I was able to buy mga transportation. And right now, ang project naman namin is our retirement home.
Wow, saan yan? Saan yung
So,
retirement home
in
na yan?
in Lian, Batangas. So kasi nga 'di ba, golden years na kami.
Ah,
Oo, so we're
yes.
preparing now for our retirement. So oh, I want to start it right now kasi I'm still earning kesa mag-start
Yeah,
ko na on my 60s, 'di ba? So
tama.
so I want to start at least mayroon akong 10 years next to prepare for it. Oo.
Pero wala namang retirement sa ano eh, sa
Sa
profession mo, 'di ba,
dentistry.
Doc?
Yes, yes, yes.
You
Even
can
my
still
dad.
continue it as
Yeah.
long as you can still, 'di ba? 'Di
I
ba?
can
Yun
still
yung
work
maganda
and
rin.
work with
Kasi
my
ang
hands.
kailangan mo, I think ang kailangan mo alagaan sa profession mo is your kamay.
Correct, correct, correct.
'Di ba? Your
One
hands.
one tip from my dad is kailangan itong hands namin, we don't use it too much. So,
Mm-mm.
wala naman ako sa, never siya nag-golf kasi ayaw niya tumigas yung kamay niya. Never din siya nag-firing kasi ayaw din niya tumigas magkakalyo yung kamay niya. So, very
Oh.
soft yan. So, talagang iingatan ko siya.
So ano ka, hands pa, ganyan.
Hindi naman, hindi lang ako masyado naghuhugas ng plato.
Ayun. Hindi pala pwedeng pag-utusan ng maghugas ng
Pagguhit,
pinggan si, ano,
masyadong
si,
maghugas ng plato. Oo. Dapat hindi masyadong ang manual work lang namin would be dentistry.
sa
Kung wala
dentistry.
mo nang, hindi mo na, dapat never mo siyang magkakalyo para yung touch mo very light.
Hmm,
Kasi you need that light
okay.
touch eh. Oo,
Oo. Kasi
yun
kung
yung secret.
hindi,
Mabigat
masakit
yung kamay
maglinis.
mo. Oo, mabigat yung kamay mo, di ba?
Oo.
Kailangan light lang yung
Yes.
touch. Kasi otherwise, pag nasanay ka ng humawak ng matitigas or you use your hands very forcefully, mawawala na yung light touch mo.
Wow. So, the light touch of dentist.
Yes.
Wow. That's a new learning for me today. Thank you, Doc Edith. Yung pala ang sikreto ng mga dentista para magkaroon sila ng light touch. So,
Oo.
siguro pag ano din sila, naglalagay din sila ng mga,
Oo.
ano sa mukha, light
Kaya hindi
touch
pa ako
lang din.
masyadong nag-golf. Siguro pag retire ko na.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So actually, ano din eh, it reminds me of the recent training that I attended that we talked about retirement. It's good that you also brought it up na
Mm.
really retirement is not about age. Diba? It really is about the amount of money that you'll be able to say na I can comfortably live even if I don't work. Diba? I
Yes.
can actually have the choice of not to work because I have money na pwedeng mag-sustain ng daily living. So anybody can actually have a choice to retire at whatever age they choose to, for as long as yun nga, you have already the money or you have already income sources in place, no,
Yeah,
such as
passive
mga
income.
investments, mga
Yes.
businesses, 'di ba? That will actually give you that retirement income.
Yeah,
And
di ba
alam ko
with
yan sa
Manulife, meron. May promo kayo ngayon kaya.
Yes, oo,
Yes,
nabanggit
no.
mo 'yan. So,
Yes, kaya
yes,
yung promo niyo.
currently Manulife is offering a limited offer actually to na it's called Wealth Guaranteed,
Mhm.
wherein for those who have money naman in the bank, they want to diversify their investments. Initial investment at 500,000, you can get a fixed payout at 4.1%. So, yung mga magaling mag-math dyan, computin nyo ng 4.1% ng 500,000. But if you invest at least 3 million, that's 4.5% for a period of 6 years. And on the seventh year, ibabalik sa'yo yung capital mo. And then on top of that, you have additional insurance coverage for peace of mind. So just in case lang na something happens to you, it directly goes to your beneficiaries. No? Kasi minsan I encountered this situation wherein my clients na ang pera ay nasa bangko lang lahat. No, nahihirapan yung mga heirs o yung mga naiwan na family to get it because they have to still process yung tinatawag na estate tax. They have to settle
Correct.
that. No? So, it's also good na we're not saying naman that you don't put any more your money in the bank. Importante pa rin yan, especially for mga emergency cases kasi nga, di ba, it's very liquid. But it's also good to also look into other investment vehicles that will provide you additional income and peace of mind. ba? Importante yan. So, yan. Isa yan si Doc Edit na client ko, VIP client ko sa Manulife. Kaya, thank you for the trust and confidence in me and in our company. So,
Actually,
as we,
yeah, share ko
yes,
lang, no,
Doc?
Janice, no? Tama ka dyan. You start early. Kasi with Manulife, nag-start
Yes.
pa ako niya nung bata ako eh. My mommy is an Ilocano. So, na-instill sa akin yung savings. So, hanggang ngayon, naiinis ako pag wala akong savings. Pag wala ako save na ano ako doon. Kasi nasanay kasi ako yung, basta na-instill sa akin, savings, no? With Manulife, lalo na ngayon, hindi mo na napapansin na you were able to save. Kasi kahit monthly eh. Dati I started with the Encore. Alam mo, I
Mm,
was able to use
yeah.
the Encore, no? I was able to use that. Di ba tinanong pa kita nun, Coach Janice, meron ka ba? Mabuti nga meron na kayong promo ngayon. Kasi I was
Mm.
able to get my lump sum, no, with my Encore. Kaya I was able to build the house in Batangas. Because of that. Oo, because of that. Nakatulong yon. Kasi
Nice.
basically, hindi mo nararamdaman na every month you are saving money. Lalo na ngayon, madali na mag-save kasi ngayon nga, ang pinambabayad mo na lang was credit card. Automatic na lang eh. Dati talagang cheque pa, post-dated checks, ibibigay mo
Yes.
dyan. But now, very easy na to pay and to save. Hindi mo alam, may tatanggapin ka palang money, ano? Right now, 7 years, no, ang waiting period. Correct?
Yes.
Yata,
Oo.
10 years yata. Encore 15, no? I
So
would,
I think yung plan na yon is more on the pre-need kasi before
yes.
the company offers mga pre-need products na
Mhm.
meron lang talaga siyang hangganan. Kumbaga sa ano,
Correct.
like say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and after that talagang you get all the benefits, living benefits, and wala na ring coverage yun, wala na ring
So, mas
insurance
maganda
coverage.
ngayon, right? Kasi 7 years na
So,
sila mag-aantay.
ito, 7 years, ang minimal lang naman yung insurance coverage like for a
Hmm.
500,000, 625,000 yung insurance mo. But basically, in a way, kasi 'di ba minsan kasi pagka nasa bangko lang, minsan yung tendency na natitempt, uy, may sale, uy, may
Oo,
'di ba?
mabilis
So,
kang withdraw.
'di ba? Ang bilis withdrawin. Ito, hindi
Mm.
mo talaga siya no touch account up to 7 years. So at least if you are intending to like purchase something during that time period, at least naka earmark na 'yon for that. Hindi ko gagalawin yan, talagang pang dyan yan. So
And with Manulife,
that's
it's
an option.
guaranteed, di ba? Yun ang maganda with
Yes, oo. So,
Manulife.
irregardless of what happens in the market, wala siyang pakialam. That's ano. And I think I know that it is on a limited time offer, meaning
Mhm.
pag na-reach niya na yung certain amount na kaya niyang kuhanin from the clients, no? So, hindi na niya i-offer yon. So, I don't know. Kakalabas pa lang naman itong program na to. So, for those who are watching us right now, i-message niyo na ako agad kasi hindi ko magagaranti sa inyo if by the time na mapanood nyo tong video na to, available pa yung, may slots pa for that. So, it's on a first come, first serve basis. And, yun nga we have clients who've been clamoring for this kasi minsan lang tong gawin ni Manulife kasi talagang ang pinaka-core niya talaga is yung mga ating life insurance products. And also, nabanggit ko rin ata sa iyo, Doc Edith, that we're also offering yung mga health insurance products in our company. So maganda ding i-tie up natin yan sa mga patients mo rin in your profession, sa mga families to get protected. In fact, I recently covered a 1-year-old baby. Oh,
Wow.
imagine mo. Because the parents are really after na, what if magka-diabetes? What if
Mm.
biglang magkaroon ng mga, di ba, uso yung mga batang-bata pa lang nagkakaroon ng type 1 diabetes.
Correct.
Diba?
Type 1
So,
diabetes, yeah.
tapos nakakaroon ng mga illnesses na mga autism or mga
Mm.
gano'n, no? So, it's also good as a peace of mind for the parents if early on pa lang ay meron na rin silang naitabi or napaghandaan na nila yung mga ganitong cases. No? So, yan. So, if you're really interested on that, just message me. We can schedule a consultation on that. And so, final words for you, Doc Edith. Ano yung gusto mong iiwan sa mga viewers natin with regards to anything and everything, what you believe in
Okay.
or what's your final message for them?
Okay, final message ko lang. Just believe in yourself and always pray to God. Okay, because
Yeah.
God will take care of everything, whatever is happening to us in our country right now. And be sure to visit your dentist because your dentist can really help you save your life, no? Kasi hindi mo, ang dentistry and our mouth is the gateway of everything, no? If you have gingivitis or periodontitis na mamaga yung gums mo, it can also go to your heart and into your lungs, no? Heart causes cardiovascular disease, lungs causing bronchitis or COPD, no? And also goes to your brain, no? Pag may infection ka sa bibig mo, it goes to your brain. So, kailangan you should visit your dentist at least every 6 months. Okay, brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, and also floss every night. Yan.
And ano, yung mag-gargle din ng ano,
Yeah, you can gargle with
gargle din.
actually, you can gargle with a mouthwash after brushing your teeth, but be sure do not rinse it, and you can only eat and drink after 30
After
minutes.
30 minutes. O yan, ang ganda ng mga tips sa atin ni Doc Edit. And ang billing ko talaga sa inyo, maghanap na lang di kayo ng dentista, maghanap na kayo yung magandang dentista na katulad ni Doc Edit. Para hindi asiwa pag nag-visit na ng ano ng dentist, no, parang maaliwalas ang tingin niya. And then of course, what I really love about Doc Edit is hindi lang siya basta just to do the procedure for you. I really love about her is she really teaches you. Ano,
Mhm.
yung bang
Patient
she takes that,
education.
yeah, patient education talaga is the key. Kasi once that you are well informed and you're well aware of the risk involved kapag hindi mo napapabayaan mong sarili mo, mas, 'di ba, mas magte-take action ka, mas pahahalagan mo yung meron ka. Kasi guys, if you are not taking care of something that you have or you're not using what you have, there's a tendency that you lose it. O, 'di ba? Katulad sa ngipin, kapag hindi natin ilagaan yung mga ngipin natin, pwedeng mawala yung mga ngipin natin na yan na they are key to our confidence din, 'di ba?
Correct,
Kasi
correct.
importante na buo at kumpleto yung mga ngipin natin.
Oo,
So
share ko
yun.
lang no yung advocacy ng World Oral Health Day no. I was the World Oral Health Day chairman from 2021 to 2023 no. 2022. Then right now 2025 again no
So
kasi New
ngayon
Year.
ulit. Wow,
Ako ulit,
grabe.
ako ulit. So ang advocacy ng World Oral Health Day for 2024 nag-start is a happy mouth gives into a healthy mind. So basically ganon no. Kung maganda ang ngipin mo, maganda ang iyong pag-iisip at ano, yung self-confidence, it boosts your self-confidence.
Yes.
So a happy
Yeah,
mouth
totoo
is a
yan.
healthy mind. Yeah.
Totoo yan, no? So, make sure talaga that you really take care of your mouth as well. Kasi lalo na yung sinabi ni Doc Edit that everything is really connected to each other.
Correct.
Diba? Oh, everybody. Okay, that's it for our episode. I really thank you, Doc Edit. I know you are a so busy person, but really I appreciate you for taking time to do this interview. And hopefully we get to bless more people with this episode. We get to inspire them to take action, to go to the dentist frequently, and also more importantly to acknowledge the blessings that they have, and yung maganda yung sinabi mo about believing in yourself and having
Yes.
that prayer time, that faith in God, that you will be taken care of and all will be well, no, despite all the negativities that we are experiencing right now. Ang dami mga kaguluhan sa kapaligiran natin. But if we have a good relationship with God, surely we will find peace in our hearts that we can move forward with our life. Thank you very much. I'm encouraging everyone, if you haven't followed this podcast, please do hit that follow button either in Spotify or subscribe button in YouTube. We are at YouTube and Spotify. And please share this podcast to as many people as you can so that you can bless more people. I'm encouraging you to unlock more miracles in your life and be a blessing to more people. Cheers and see you in the next one. Bye.